In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ringing alarm to your Google Calendar absolutely free, ensuring you never miss anything important in your life. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser and go to Google Calendar. If you're not signed in yet, you'll want to look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click that, you'll need to enter your account details to access your calendar. Once you've logged in successfully, you're going to create a new event. Look for the Create button or the plus sign, generally on the left-hand side of your screen, and click on it. This is where you'll begin setting up your event. Next, select Event from the options presented to you. This will open a new window where you can start entering your specific event details. Go ahead and enter the name of your event, something that's descriptive and easy to remember. It's always best to be clear about what the event is to avoid any confusion later. After you've got your event name entered, it's time to set the date and time. This will be when your Google Calendar notification alerts you and rings the alarm. Now let's move on to more detailed settings by clicking on More Options. This will expand additional features to tailor the event to your liking. One crucial aspect here is the notifications. Click on the notification drop-down. You'll notice an option simply labeled Notification. Go ahead and click on it. Now you might be wondering about the timing for this notification. How before your event do you want that alarm to go off? You can adjust the duration here. The drop-down will typically allow you to set it from minutes to hours, even days before the event, depending on how early you want that reminder. Choose a duration that suits your needs. Once satisfied with your settings, make sure everything looks good, and then click on Save to lock everything in. But wait, there's one more important step to ensure you actually hear that notification when it's time. Make sure your browser notifications are enabled. When prompted, allow Google Calendar permission to send you notifications. This ensures that all future alerts can get through to you without a hitch. Finally, for that vital ringing alarm, you need to go a step further by configuring your device's notification sound. Head over to your computer's system settings or your phone's notification settings. Choose a loud, distinctive ringtone for Google Calendar notifications to ensure it grabs your attention when it rings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a ringing alarm set up in your Google Calendar, making sure you never miss an important event again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel